Okay, you guys, I'm here on the Hypixel server. I'm gonna play Bed Wars. I just love Bed Wars. I just gotta clear that out. I love Bed Wars. It's like one of my favorite games. So what I'm thinking is, I made this giant kind of maze, sort of. Well, it's a giant quest that you have to do. I made it for my brother. So now I made it just to be in a YouTube video. And now that I got this awesome mic today, it's my birthday. So I got this awesome mic and this YouTube channel for my birthday. And I'm just playing with it. Not really playing, but I like playing Hypixel. Like, you don't even know. It's so satisfying. Oh, this guy's an imbecile. He doesn't know how to build. Don't know how to build, dude? Come on. Gotta do it correctly if you're gonna do it at all. I've been playing this for so long, I know how to build a bed. Like, I know how to get an extra bed in this thing. Obviously, I'm not gonna use it in any of my videos, because people might think I'm cheating. But, I know how to get an extra bed. My brother doesn't even think. No, don't kill me, No, please, no. Dang it, that guy killed me. What the devil. I'm gonna respawn soon. Alright, I have respawn. Yeah. So, I'm gonna do it. No! I'm gonna be doing this for a little bit longer, about 3 minutes. I'm gonna make them about 18 minutes long each. 8 minutes long each time. As I explained in my other video, I can't make them any longer than 15 minutes due to the recording site that I use. I keep doing that, sorry. So, I need to up my game, bros. Like, people are getting better and better at this. Can't even. I was gonna try to TB wild. 2 seconds, bam, my man wild. But whatever, no, that wouldn't work. Whatever, so I'm gonna get some, I'm gonna save up for armor. This, get some, and then let's get some irons, no, not iron, obviously. I hate stuff being in that hand, I like stuff being in the second or third hand. Uppercut, hacha! Uppercut, hacha! Uppercut, hacha! Uppercut, hacha! Uppercut, Whatever. So, I just don't know why I was saying that. I was kind of in, the mood. You know, the mood where you're just concentrating so hard. Oh, crap. Guys, come in. I'm just hiding. Alright, please don't see me. He saw me. He's crouching. Get us. No. Destroy this block. Oh, I can see him. He jumped off. What? No, he jumped on my side. Wait, what happened? I fell on something. I saw that. I fell on something. What do you think? Me being me? Hey, you guys, I'm back. I never left. Crouch. No! I can't do that jump. Sorry. So, I'm really hoping. So he's gonna be making a YouTube channel, the guy that I made the map for, and he's gonna post it on. We're gonna post it on both channels, I guess. No. Whatever. I'm just gonna play another game. Okay, so while we're in the waiting room. Well, my mic is way too close. While we're in the waiting room, I will be running around. I think it is time to end my video. I'm sorry, we died pretty quickly, but